I have the capacitor removed from the generator. This capacitor is rated at 25 microfarads plus or minus 5%. I have my multimeter set to microfarads to read the capacity of this capacitor. Before I start testing, I'm going to de-energize the capacitor of any residual voltage. So I'm just going to take a screwdriver, not holding the metal part, and go across all the terminals here. Make sure they're all de-energized before I start testing. Okay. So we have de-energized the capacitor. Using my meter, I'm going to take my test leads and test the terminals. And I should be looking for roughly 25 microfarads. And I am reading 25.3, 25.3, 25.3, and 25.3. Looks like our capacitor is good. So now we can go on to additional testing on the generator itself, the windings, the auxiliary windings, the exciter.